coffee until the red color ready to the harvest.
The harvest. Let's go to the jungle.
Robusta
coffee.
Robusta coffee, strong in the flavor, just a little bit bitter. High in the
Robusta.
tree, big
Ang
in the
bagay
leaf,
sa'yo.
and small in the fruit.
7-Eleven meron yan. Robusta.
Iba naman yun.
Ay, iba pa yun.
Kape ang na gusto natin. Hindi naman nakape yan eh.
Hindi, meron mo itong gawa.
Robusta. Robusta.
Kasi diba, parang meron sila laging pasobrang isang letter.
Pag uminom ko ba ng kape, tinitigas ang kape ka lang?
Hindi, gogo.
Oh, ba't sinakawa mo yun?
Hindi, robusta eh.
Ayan na.
The most famous animal called luwak.
Luwak. Kaya?
Luwak coffee, expensive coffee from the Poo animal. Its mammal is native to Asia, especially tropical forest. And here we feed haluak animal to extradite during daytime. It like the sweet fruit, like the banana, papaya, and the special fruit is from the night, the coffee berry. Eat the coffee berry from the tree, process fermentation and sip in the animal in the stomach and the poo. Digest the aqua of the bean. And luwak, nocturnal animal, dies sleeping night, active, aggressive in the night. Have look inside, sample from the poo and process making.
Ano lang buwan tayo mo, ano?
Sabi sa inyo kaya tinawag na luwak coffee.
May nabuhay, ay may nakatayo.
Diba parang makakawa naman sila
Kaya
tignan.
may parang tang ina, kailangan ng tayo lang nila.
Makakalapit tayo doon.
Di ba nga for on? Bakit ba yung ano? Pangkain ka.
This is sample from the poo animal. And this is collect in the morning in the garden. We washing. After we washing, we dry. After we dry, we fill. Until you look inside the bean seem like the peanut. This is the first layer, one seed.
Bango. Ah, okay.
So good.
About the second layer, smooth skin. And you look inside bean the coffee. We washing hot and normal water again.
Can I touch this?
After we washing dry under the sun, very clean, hygienic, ready to the roasting. So not contact the poop, just a process fermentation. Come out aroma after the roasting, yeah. This is before